The other advantage of selling digital products is that they're literally insanely scalable. Like you only make it once and you can sell the same course for years. Now, if you make a course on something which needs to be updated often, for example, a course on a software, well, you might need to update the course more often. I think that goes without saying. But for 99% of people, if you make a course about pretty much anything on any topic, it's an evergreen topic. What I mean by evergreen is it's not something like a software which needs to be updated all the time. If you make a video on how to get abs, you can sell the same course for 10 years. Because in 10 years, the physiology of human bodies will work the same way. Like, it's not going to be much different. If you make a course on cooking, on becoming more productive, you can sell it for years without modifying it. Like, think about how insane that is. And again, you only use your time one time to make the product, and then you can sell it thousands of times. You can make millions from it. And look, I've tried other businesses. I've tried affiliate marketing. I've tried dropshipping. I've tried all of these different things. And guess what? Nothing ever came close to selling digital products. Even when you are successful with dropshipping, I've spoken to very successful dropshippers. On average, they make between 5 to 20% profit. Do you hear that? 5 to 20% in profit. That's not a lot. It's very little. Like, honestly, do you think that's a lot? Let's do the math. You make $10,000 with digital products. Out of $10,000 you made, you would keep $9,500. Even if you have a team and fancy softwares, you would never go below 90% profit margins, which means that for every $10,000 you make, you keep $9,000. With dropshipping, it's a very different story. If you make $10,000, you'd be lucky to keep $500, that's 5% profit, all the way to $2,000 maximum, 20% profit. So you make $10,000 a month, wow, you're such a G. In reality, you make $1,000. Like, seriously, you'd make more money working at McDonald's. So don't believe everything you see, especially online, especially about selling physical products, because profits are very small. You might be like, oh wow, you made $100,000 in a day, but then you learn it's 5% profit. Like, sure, that'd be amazing, you know, because it's $100,000 a day, it's huge numbers. But I mean, it is hard enough to get to $10,000 a month with physical products. So imagine $100,000 in one day with physical products. You would need a gigantic ad budget, which guess what? 99.9% of beginners simply don't have. So you're trying to win a game which is literally impossible to win. Wake the fuck up. And then again, you have to ask yourself, what kind of lifestyle do you want? Like, what's the reason you want to start this business? I mean, everybody that I knew, me included, they didn't start a dropshipping business because they were passionate about selling a flat squeeze mop or a Japanese hoodie with something written on it. You don't even know what it means. Like, seriously, the first product I ever sold with dropshipping, back when I was still a broke high school student, it was a flat squeeze mop. Like, seriously. We sold it for $50 and we lost all our money into Facebook ads. I say we because at the time I was doing it with somebody who was my friend, and it was a fucking nightmare. We'd get our ad accounts banned like God knows how many times. It wasn't fun. And the profits were so small and the ads were eating up all our profit. Like, we made no money, we lost money. And the same exact thing happened to 99% of people who tried dropshipping. So ask yourself, what kind of lifestyle do you want? Do you want to be waking up in a beautiful setting, going for a walk on the beach with your partner, having a lovely, healthy breakfast, maybe even having a maid who does all the cleaning for you so you don't have to bother with all this shit? Then you go to the gym, then you record a few videos, and you're making digital product sales on autopilot all the time. Or would you rather have 5 to 20% in profit, and then you're spending all day answering customer complaints or customer emails? You wake up and every single day you're stressed beyond reason because you're wondering if your ad account hasn't been disabled yet again. And look, all the time that you spend trying to fix what's wrong in the business is time that you can't invest into making more money. Like, you can't grow the business if you're always focusing on fixing what broke down in the business. It's like you're trying to fill a bucket, but there's holes in the bottom of the bucket. Like, no matter how much water you pour in it, you're gonna just lose everything. You're never going to have a full bucket unless you plug the holes first. Now, there's something I need to address quickly because a lot of people will say, okay, that sounds awesome, but it's a top 1% business model. So what do I mean by that? People think that selling courses or digital products, only the top 1% of creators can do it because they think you need to have a lot of followers, like at least 100,000 followers to 1 million plus followers. And they're right about something. The more followers you have, the more views and attention you gather, the more money you're gonna make. That is absolutely true. I'd be lying to you if I said the opposite. However, at the time I'm recording this video, I don't even have 6,000 YouTube subscribers. And yet, I've made a lot of money. Like on my best days, I've made $2,600 in one day. And it was mostly profit. In 48 hours, in fact, I literally made just under $4,300 in 48 hours. Most people in the world don't even make that kind of money per month with their jobs. I made it in 48 hours. Now, it wasn't every 48 hours I made the same amount of money. That's not how business works. But I'm showing you, would that have been possible for a 22-year-old back then? I'm 23 now. But would that have been possible for a 22-year-old working a regular job? Obviously not. So this is the best opportunity you'll ever have to make money and to get rich or financially free. So the question is, what are you waiting for to get started? With that said, if you want to get my help personally, you can check out the resources in the description below when you're done watching this video. You will find a free training, but you also have the option to book a free strategy call with me directly. And on that call, I'm personally gonna look at your situation and give you a custom roadmap, a custom step-by-step plan, so you can start or scale your consulting high-ticket course membership business. Now, I've got to be honest with you, I do these calls myself, so I've got very limited time and availabilities each day. So when you're done watching this, definitely click on that link and book your free strategy call before the spots are gone. First come, first serve. You know how this works.